It's no secret that starting a small business can be a daunting task. With a little bit of planning and forethought, you can set up a small business that you can run from the comfort of your own home. In this video, we will explore 10 small business ideas that you can start and operate from home. 1. Hospital Janitorial Agency. There are plenty of hospital janitorial agencies out there that you can start from home. All you need is a phone, internet connection, and some basic cleaning supplies. You can start by advertising your services online or in your local community. 2. Diabetic diet-friendly bakery items making. First, you'll need to make sure that your recipes are low in sugar and carbohydrates. You can find plenty of sugar-free and low-carb baking recipes online or in cookbooks specifically designed for the diabetic diet. 3. Create a food waste solution. When it comes to reducing food waste, there are many options for small businesses that can be started from home. One option is to create a food waste solution, such as a composting system or a meal planning service. 4. Create online courses. As the world increasingly moves online, there is a growing demand for online courses and educational resources. If you have knowledge or expertise in a particular subject area, you can create an online course and sell it to people all over the world. 5. Drone camera services. Drones are becoming increasingly popular for a variety of photography and videography purposes. If you have a drone and the necessary skills, you can start offering your services to small businesses who need aerial footage for their marketing or other purposes. 6. Electrician Services. There are plenty of electrician services that you can offer from the comfort of your own home. You can be your own boss, set your own hours, and control how much work you take on. 7. Writing fiction stories and video scripts. To get started, all you need is a computer and a word processing program. Once you have your story or script written, you can then start shopping it around to publishers or production companies. 8. Yoga or meditation instructor. There are many different types of yoga and meditation, so you will need to choose the style that best suits your skills and interests. Once you have decided on your specialty, then you will need to get a certificate by taking a course or training program. 9. Become an influencer. If you're passionate about a particular topic, you can use your influence to earn money from home. There are a number of ways to monetize your influence, whether it's through social media, blogging, or speaking engagements. And 10. At-home bookkeeper. Many small businesses don't have the budget to hire a full-time bookkeeper, but that doesn't mean they can't keep their books in order. If you're organized and detail-oriented, starting your own at-home bookkeeping business is a great way to earn some extra income.